Stop throwing away your soda cans that can be used in simple crafting, or just save them because they are shiny, juicy aluminium things. I'm actually an iced tea addict, and this is 2 weeks' effort right there. Cans that I collected throughout time. Wash off the stain before we continue to cut them in 3 pieces with no hesitation. They can't stop us. Cutting the can to make sheets and discs. Be careful, it stings. I changed my gloves a few times. Look at the metal reserve we've created. We can also use these, but I'll come back to this later. Unless you have a hydraulic, this is the way. Look at them, how shiny they are. I actually come up with this idea when I was 15. Remember the discs I non-legally forced you to keep? Well, I used them as joints at age of 15, so I'm sure you can give them a much better use. I needed metal resource for my fully functioning, taped, glued Iron Man suit, which despite the effort I put, my bigger brother threw it anyways. Can't save them all though, straight up going to recycle bin. And clean the tub, or mommy will be pissed a little. Another idea that I'm not currently able to show you in practice is that you can deform these sheets with little press machines you can make on your own. Let's say you designed a simple shape and 3D printed a press plate. It should have its shape at some degree. Thanks for losing some of your precious time here. See you next time.